This is the home screen of the application, and this application has a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. So here we're able to see a lot of matches that's going to be played, and at the top here we see live matches that's being played right now. And any one of these live matches, you can tap on see all option, see all the live matches that's being played. And do keep in mind, as I said before, you're going to encounter a lot of ads while navigating through the application. So once you have tapped on the match that you want to pretty much see the details for, will pretty much take a while to load, so you keep that in mind as well. And this application is full of ads, guys. So here you can see the live matches that's pretty much playing right now. You can tap on whichever one that I want to check the information for. As you can see, pretty much seeing the statistic who have scored, the time that they have scored, as well the statistics as it relates to the match. You can see here pretty much the players that is playing on the field as well. You can see their table or with their points within their league, and as well this information here as well. So that's pretty much how you use this application. It doesn't have much feature and just a limit of how much teams you can watch. As you can see here, not much as it relates to all the football leagues and so forth. Just a few, as you can see there, nothing much. And in the league section here, again, you're going to be encountering a lot of ads, guys. As you can see here, you have other leagues which can look at as well. So all of them you can pretty much, any one of them you can pretty much tap on the store icon here to pretty much add it as your favorite. So there's just a lot of leagues you can tap on. And let's say you want to check out the FIFA International Cup, and here pretty much we see pictures for that league, but currently there's no match going on for that right now. As well, you can see other leagues as well will pretty much give you information on that. But this app is pretty much new, so most of this information might not be there as yet, so do keep that in mind. As well, you can tap on the team option here, and ads again, going to see a lot of ads while using the application. So you do have the team section here, which you can also follow up with as well. These are just pretty much the popular teams around the world, which you pretty much can keep a check on. If you do like one of them, you can tap on the star icon and pretty much add it as your favorite team. So that's pretty much it for this application here. Still needs a bit more work, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you next one.